Hey y'all, welcome back to Crocs and Socks. This is Kenny. Got my dad, my father-in-law out here today. We're about to fry a turkey. I'm gonna show you how to do it Louisiana style without burning nothing down, okay? We're gonna get right to it. Alright y'all, so last night we injected the turkey, shot the turkey up with this Louisiana Cajun butter, and then hit the outside and all over with some Creole seasoning and stuff like that. You season it to your taste. But that's what we use. Now don't put any garlic on the outside. Garlic frying in the grease will burn and turn it really, really black. So don't put any kind of garlic powder or anything on the outside. So here's a setup right here. Got our pot, burner, got it going, getting the grease warmed up. So we're gonna cook at 350. But I'm gonna get this grease up to about 360. And the reason for that is when you put that cold bird into this grease, it's going to drop that temperature a whole lot. So I get it up a little bit higher, and that way I don't have so much to make back up. Now, as far as the oil goes, I can't tell you how much oil you're going to need because that's going to vary on a couple things: the size of your turkey and the size of your pot. So the easiest thing you can do if you're trying to figure out how much oil you need, take the turkey before you take it out of the wrapping that it comes in, set it down in your pot. Start filling your pot up with water just till it covers the turkey. That's all you need. You don't need the pot full of grease, okay? So just fill it up above the turkey, then you can pull the turkey out, mark where the water level goes down to, and you'll know that's how much grease you need. So we got the oil in there. We can get to it here in just a second when we get up to temperature. So here's one little tip also. I always take a knife and put a good little slit right here, right above this leg. And my father-in-law showed me that. And lets this grease get down into that dark meat. The dark meat needs to be about 10 degrees hotter than the white meat does. So to help it cook a little more even, that lets that grease get down in that bird a little easier. That's just a little tip. All right, y'all, so we can see we're a little over 360, so that's good. We're gonna take that off. That grease is good and hot. Get this thermometer out the way. And here is the most important tip to not burn your house down. Turn the fire completely off. Look down there, Kev. There's no fire on. If you don't have any fire, if something was to happen, it's probably going to happen right now. If you was to drop it, or if your turkey happens to be still frozen for some reason, and you put it in that hot oil, that grease is coming out of that pot. And when it comes out of that pot, if there's fire down there, that's when you burn stuff down. So turn the fire off. It don't take but a second to relight it. So we're gonna get this turkey put in there. All right, just ease it down in there, Jericho. This is Jericho. This is Taylor's boyfriend. Ease it down in there. It's gonna spitter and spatter and cut up. So. All right, here you go. Ease it on there. Ease it on there. Ease it on there. Go ahead, you can go a little more. Go ahead, keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. A little bit more, a little at a time. Alright, you get on down there. Man, that smells good already. Huh? You all right? Yeah, you going down a little more. Little line sitting down on the bottom. Good, you need to. You okay? Good? Yeah. You want me to take it? Okay, I got it. Look in here, okay? So the main thing is take your time. You're not in a rush. The grease is gonna spatter. It's gonna cut up, and that's why you can't. That's why you can't have. See how that grease is coming out of that pot? You can't have too much grease in this pot. See, we got it down in there. It wouldn't hurt if you wanted to put some gloves on. That always helps too. So we'll just use this thermometer. Now, Let's look and see where it goes back to. Because when you drop that cold bird in there, it's going to pull that temperature down. All right, so we're going to cover it, and I'm going to get it relit. All right, so we got it relit. We'll get it back up to 350. You can't walk away. You got to stay watching your thermometer, because as you cook that cold out of that bird, as the cold gets cooked out, that temperature is going to slowly rise on you. And if you walk away and you're not paying it no mind, you'll be at 400 degrees before you know it. So that turkey there is 22 pounds. So we're going, that's an hour and 6 minutes. 3 minutes a pound at 350 degrees. So that's an hour and 6 minutes, but you only start that time when it gets back to 350. So you're gonna watch it. When it gets to 350, you start your hour and 6 minutes. It'll just about come out perfect every time. We'll check back with y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all, so we got it out the grease, got it in the house, getting it all cut up. And that's how it's done. Nice and juicy. Best turkey you ever ate in your life. Thank y'all for watching Crocs and Socks. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. Got all the family around today. We're doing it a little bit early. We'll catch y'all on the next one.